Hi, my name is Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 2, Number 2, which reads, which choice provides the most appropriate introduction to the passage? Well, what's the title of the passage? Shed some light on the workplace. It's not a bad idea to skip this question. Make sure you practice with your bubbles. So you skip it on your bubbles and you skip it here and then come back and do it last. But in my experience, most of these you could answer without having to read the rest of the passage. So let's get some context here. We're going to read after, since this is the first sentence of the passage. New buildings may be designed with these studies in mind, and we'd have to see what the studies are. But many older buildings were not, resulting in spaces that were often depend primarily on artificial lighting. Now we see it in the title here, Light in the Workplace, also artificial lighting here. While employers may balk at the expense of reconfiguring buildings to increase the amount of natural light, the investment has been shown to work well in the long run for both employers and employees. And so it looks like we're talking about light in our answer choice here. Studies have shown that employees are happier, healthier, and more productive when they work in an environment in which temperatures are carefully controlled. Not talking about temperatures here, we're talking about light. They work in an environment that affords them adequate amounts of natural light. That looks good. It's talking about natural versus artificial light. Answer choice C. They work in an environment that is thoroughly sealed to prevent energy loss. Now that does have something to do with light, but this is more specifically about light. They work in an environment in which they feel comfortable asking managers for special accommodations. Light and no light, that's way too general, and I don't think we'd really consider that an accommodation. Your answer is B here. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share this with someone who has trouble with the questions in Section 2. It's kind of like a reading comprehension question. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.